Did you know that speaking English out loud every day can seriously boost your fluency? It's true, and the results are amazing. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple exercises you can do on your own to really improve your speaking skills. No need for expensive classes or tutors. It's just you and your determination. Stick around to learn how these exercises can transform your English and why they're so effective. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Welcome to Get English Podcast, Episode 9. What if I told you that regular, short practice sessions could transform your English speaking skills? It might sound surprising, but consistent daily practice is backed by solid research. Let's explore why this approach works so well. Many people think learning a language requires hours of intense study or expensive programs. But here's the truth. Short, consistent practice can lead to incredible results. Studies show that speaking English out loud regularly can significantly improve your fluency in just a month. Why does speaking out loud work so well? It's all about how our brains process language. When you speak, you're activating multiple areas of your brain, including regions responsible for language production, memory, and motor control. Each time you practice, you're strengthening these neural connections, making it easier to use English in real-life situations. Speaking out loud also helps you identify your weak points. Maybe you stumble over certain words or struggle with specific sentence structures. By practicing regularly, you'll quickly spot these areas and can focus on improving them. Plus, hearing your own voice in English builds confidence, a crucial factor in becoming a fluent speaker. Now you might be wondering, how quickly can I improve my English? While everyone's learning journey is different, the potential for rapid improvement is real. By committing to daily speaking practice, you're setting yourself up for success. You'll develop muscle memory for pronunciation, expand your vocabulary through active use, and gain the confidence to express yourself more freely in English. Think about it. Consistent practice gives you more active speaking time than many people get in months of traditional language classes. And because you're practicing every day, you're constantly reinforcing what you've learned, helping to maintain your skills over time. Ready to experience this improvement for yourself? Great! But where do you start? How do you practice speaking when you're alone? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive into our first exercise, a simple yet powerful technique that you can start using today to boost your English speaking skills. Exercise 1. The Mirror Talk Challenge. Ever wished you had a conversation partner available anytime you want to practice English? Well, you might be surprised to learn that you already have one, and it's been right in front of you this whole time. Let's explore how a simple object can help you master English pronunciation. The Mirror Talk Challenge is a powerful technique that can dramatically improve your English speaking skills. It's simple. You talk to yourself in the mirror. This method, often recommended by public speaking coaches, provides valuable visual feedback to enhance your pronunciation and overall communication style. When you speak in front of a mirror, you're not only practicing your English, but also observing your body language, facial expressions, and mouth movements as you form different sounds. This visual feedback helps you identify areas for improvement in both your pronunciation and nonverbal communication. To get started with Mirror Talk, choose a topic that interests you. It could be your day, your hobbies, or a recap of your favorite TV show. This makes it easier to keep talking and helps you practice vocabulary that's relevant to you. Structure your talk with an introduction, main points, and a conclusion to practice organizing your thoughts in English. As you speak, pay attention to your pronunciation and watch how your mouth moves to form different sounds. If you're unsure about a word, try saying it a few different ways while watching yourself. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can correct your pronunciation just by seeing yourself speak. Don't forget to observe your body language too. Are you making eye contact with yourself? Do your facial expressions match what you're saying? The best part about Mirror Talk is its convenience. You can do it anytime, anywhere. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference in your speaking skills. It's like having a personal English tutor available 24/7, completely free. By combining visual feedback with speaking practice, Mirror Talk offers a powerful tool for rapid improvement in your English skills. So why not start your Mirror Talk challenge today? Once you're comfortable chatting with your reflection, you'll be ready to take your speaking practice to the next level. Stick around, because I've got another exciting exercise coming up that will help you become even more confident in your English speaking skills. Exercise 2. The Podcast Creator Method. Creating your own podcast is a powerful tool for improving your English skills. It's not about becoming famous. It's about using the podcast format to boost your fluency. How can speaking into a microphone help you get better at English? Let's talk about the podcast creator method. It's simple. You create your own English language podcast. You might be thinking, me? Make a podcast? I'm not sure I can do that. Don't worry. This is all about improving your speaking skills, not becoming a star. Here's why it works so well. When you create a podcast, you're crafting a story, sharing your thoughts, and connecting with listeners. This challenges you to express your ideas clearly and use more complex sentences. Plus, you get to talk about things you love, which makes learning more fun and keeps you motivated. Feeling nervous about speaking to an audience? Remember, everyone has something interesting to share. You could talk about your hobbies, daily life, or even your English learning journey. Choose topics that excite you. That's the key to staying engaged. Once you've picked your topic, structure your episode. A good way to start is by preparing questions and answering them as if you're in an interview. This helps you practice both asking and answering questions in English, a crucial skill for real conversations. For recording, you don't need fancy equipment. Your phone's voice recorder is fine. Find a quiet spot, take a deep breath, and start talking. Yes. After you're done, listen to your recording. Pay attention to your pronunciation, word choice, and sentence structure. This self-evaluation helps you spot areas for improvement. Creating a podcast episode is like a workout for your language skills. You'll develop fluency by speaking for longer periods, expand your vocabulary as you research different topics, and improve your storytelling abilities. Essential for engaging conversations in English. Not ready to speak for long stretches? Don't worry, we've got another exercise coming up that's perfect for building your confidence step by step. Stick around to learn how you can turn your daily life into an English learning adventure. Exercise 3. The Daily Life Narrator. Hey there! Ever thought about turning your daily routine into an English learning adventure? Let's talk about the Daily Life Narrator exercise. It's a simple but powerful way to boost your English skills right in your own home. Here's how it works. You describe everything you do throughout your day in English. From waking up to going to bed, you're constantly speaking English. Sounds easy, right? Well, here's the challenge. Can you find the right words for all those everyday objects and actions? At first, you might struggle to describe your toothbrush or explain how you tie your shoes in English. Don't worry. That's totally normal. This exercise is all about expanding your vocabulary. Start by labeling objects around your house with sticky notes. As you use each item, say its name out loud. Then, work your way up to describing your actions in full sentences. Why is this exercise so effective? When you narrate your daily activities, you're training your brain to think in English. Instead of translating from your native language, you're creating direct connections between actions and English words. This helps you develop fluency and speak more spontaneously. But there's more to it than just learning new words. By associating English with your familiar environment, you're creating an immersive language experience. Every time you see your coffee mug or your favorite chair, you'll think of the English words you've used to describe them. This helps cement the language in your memory and makes it feel more natural to use English in your everyday life. Ready to give it a try? Start small. Pick one routine, like making breakfast, and narrate it in English. As you get more comfortable, expand to other parts of your day. Before you know it, you'll be thinking and speaking in English without even realizing it. So, are you ready to turn your home into an English learning playground? Give the Daily Life Narrator exercise a shot and watch your English skills grow. Wow, what a journey we've been on together. We've explored 8 powerful exercises that can transform your English speaking skills, all without leaving your home. Are you ready to take the 30-day challenge? Start today and see how far you can go. Pick one exercise to begin with, then gradually add more as you build confidence. Don't forget to join the Telegram group from the link in the description. I'd love to hear about your progress. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's support each other on this exciting path to English fluency.